Guys, this is absolutely the one, guys. This is absolutely the weirdest game on Roblox. Not this. Oh, survive peaches in Walmart fit. It is also a little creepy, guys. If you go to the green screen, that is super scary. To the green screen, to the green floor. All right, coming in. Hey! 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 Oh my God! What is that sound? Peaches. Hey! Hey! I'm new in here, guys. Hey! 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 Who told me? Oh, I'm back. Hey! Bro, giant peaches is so scary. Oh my God. Look at this. I told you, this is scary. Help? Okay, I told you this is scary, guys. Look. Oh my God. I'm back in the game. Oh! Oh my God. Oh! Scared. This is funny, guys. Pictures. That was scary. Oh, that is. Go. Oh my God. Who is banana? This is banana. Buy me Floppa Burger. Sure, I will. He killed me. He's bad, guys. Bad. I got rolled by the head. I almost got touched. Because if you touch his head, I will hit you. Absolutely kills. Okay, so gonna steal. Hey! Why? This is absolutely funny. Hey! Where's Jifael though? I thought there was a killer here. Where's Jifael? I mean Jifael. Where's Jifael the killer? Maybe he's not here. Oh, he was being removed. He has been being removed. I thought he was not removed forever. Oh, cool iPad. Wow, I love this game. Wow. Jump. Run. We're getting so fast. mystery. God, my head just got rolled. McDonald's! Okay, Minamoto is dead. I'll kill him. It's always faster than the body parts, though. Oh, one died. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave.